we're making Instant Pot Cuban-style black beans. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Instant Pot Cuban-style black beans. So hop on board and let's get cooking. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of dried black beans that have been washed. 1 cup each low sodium vegetable broth. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of chopped onions. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 2 teaspoons dried mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon each of dried chipotle pepper, dried chili powder, and black pepper. 3 garlic cloves that have been bruised, and 2 bay leaves. Stir and cook under pressure for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes in the Instant Pot, we let the steam escape naturally for 20 minutes, and now we remove the lid. And we've got beautiful Instant Pot Cuban-style black beans. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and our black beans are ready to go. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.